Namaste everyone. This is so sweet, all of the choir. You made a wonderful song here. So, a small difference between Independence Day and Republic Day. What's the difference?
Sir, Independence Day was done when we got freedom, and Republic Day is something when they completed the constitution.
When
They
you?
completed the constitution, they
Yeah.
formed the rules.
The constitution is formed and came into force from that day. When it was 75 years back, we got it. And what is constitution? Like it's a big thing, like for young kids to understand what's a constitution.
Sir, it is a book of rules
Book of rules.
that each and every citizen of India must follow.
Okay. What do you have in that? Basic things. There are many things in that, but
Sir, the rights which the people have,
fundamental rights.
then some laws to do justice,
Okay.
duties that should be performed by the government.
Yeah. Government. Okay. Fundamental duties of the government. So no duties for the people.
Yeah.
When you have some rights, you should have some duties also. Okay. The basic thing what we are missing as citizens is our duties. You only expect rights. You only expect something to be given by the government. We are only thinking of what can government do to the people. We means I'm talking about majority of people. I don't think you will be in that lot. There is a lot more than what you can contribute than what you can take. Okay. Duties come first than rights. Definitely rights are there. We should fight for our rights. Whenever, like right to speak, all this is all like real freedom, right? Real freedom comes only with that. This time we should also work on our country's people, right? All the people of the country form your country. So slowly what's happening with this global scenario is the patriotism is slowly going down. Maybe we are thinking of a whole concept called Vasudhaiva Kutumbam. Vasudhaiva Kutumbam of whole world. People are literally not worried about which country you are staying in. Which country is having less taxes, which country is giving more, facilities. People are shifting that easily. Okay. The concept where the motherland, where great leaders like Gandhiji, Netaji and Ambedkar, all these people were working, though they studied somewhere, they came back to their motherland because the motherland was in problems. People were in problems, so they came back, leaving all their lucrative careers and served for the country, served for the people in the country. Okay. So that is real duty what they performed towards their motherland. But today, the scenario has changed. The problems are less. So people are worried about the problems and running away from the problems. When you have problems, you should be more resilient and really coming back to work for the people's problems, to come bring them out of the problems. Okay. So friends, I think this is what I try to say. It's like, suppose you are going on the road. The minimum duty of a citizen is follow the traffic rules. So these are the basic things. Okay. So you have problems where others will not follow it. But still, you should show them the way. Like if majority doesn't follow, the minority also follows the majority, then the rules will definitely go away. Okay, the constitution will not be implemented. So when the people who are well educated, it's not just the marks what you get in the exam, but well educated means you should know what are your rights, what are your duties, and try to implement them as much as possible. And These are the days where you actually know about your motherland and what are the great sacrifices made by our leaders, and we'll try to follow in their footsteps to make this country the best. It's not the superpower. India was never aiming to be a superpower. Right from old age, we never tried to occupy someone's land. Never. India as a country never tried to occupy. Doesn't mean that they are not capable. Doesn't mean that they are not capable. But as a country, as people, we always wanted supremacy in our own land. We don't want supremacy over others. Okay. But you can see USA, China occupying others' lands, interfering, involving others' matters, and taking their own decisions for their nations. They say that they are trying to make decisions for that country's health, but actually internally you can observe that these decisions are taken for their own benefits. But India was never doing that. So we should understand that we should try to live to our country's age-old traditions as well as, but you should be not allowing anyone to enter into your arena. That's also there. So this concept of patriotism, I feel that you, younger generation, will bring it back. I can see between 1990s to now, the patriotism is going down. It's all like, you're not worried about which country you are living in. Many people. I'm talking about people who are migrating easily. You may go to other countries for education, but I feel that you should come back and fulfill your duties to your motherland. Happy Republic Day, and I wish you all a bright future. Thank you.